So we just got to take them 2 bolts out and then pull that Kingpin up, slather some grease on her. So it only takes, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. So these things are half inch nut and bolt. Hopefully if my notes were right. I got a reminder on my phone that's just tells me all the different crap I need to throw in my Tahoe to come out here, so I don't drive out here and end up with everything I need except for one thing I need, and have to drive all the way back home and come back out here. And you can pull it out by hand, or you can actually push it up from the bottom. I've done that a couple times, but it's easier just to grab it with them little wide mouth vice grip pliers that like welders use. And the first 2 years, this is the first trailer I've ever had that had multiple Kingpin positions. So first couple years I had this, I wasn't thinking, I didn't think about greasing this thing. It wore the Kingpin down and it wore the boss down. I bought a new Kingpin and I've had a new boss machined for that, but I hadn't got around to replacing that boss yet, just because it's not something I can do myself. I'm gonna have to get a welding shop to gouge it out and weld that new one in there. So I can just barely feel this thing. It's got like, I don't know, a millimeter or 2 of play in it whenever I'm taking off. But if I grease it, I don't feel it at all. That grease, I use a stuff called Chisel paste, or I use some like NLGI 3 thicker grease. That's just better for stuff that's just getting hammered on constantly. So if I keep grease on it, that actually takes away all the free play. Feels like a brand new Kingpin. But, so that's just a little plate that keeps it held down. Probably don't even need it. So that's what we're going to use to pull it out of there. And it's always good to have some extra rags laying around, because this isn't really the cleanest job. So this is that chisel paste. It's made by Schaefer. So extreme waterproof, extreme pressure chisel paste. And well, I guess I already cut it last time, but I don't know if you can tell, but it's a lot thicker grease than you use on most of the truck. It don't take much. I mean, this is way too much, because this is gonna push a whole lot of excess grease out the top side. Just drop her back down. And now she's ready to go for another month or two. I'll just throw the plate back on. Yeah, I probably should have brought another bag. That one's all done. Well, all right. That's all finished up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.